Hello friends, my name is Anil Ashok Patekar. My research project on extraction of essential oil from eucalyptus leaves. My project guide is VM Shukre and co-guide is JV Kore. Introduction. Essential oil are used in a wide variety of consumer goods such as detergent, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, etc. Essential oil extracted from has antimicrobial, anti, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Oil from leaves, widely used to cure cut skin infection and anti-tumor. And then among the various wood and non-wood products, essential oil found in its foliage is the most important one and find extensive use in the food, perfumery and pharmaceutical industry. Scale insects such as aphid, whiteflies, mites and earwigs are killed on contact with eucalyptus essential oils. Objective: the extraction of essential oil from eucalyptus leaves and to study its effect as an insecticide. Material and method. Experiment details. Collection of soil sample. Sample was collected from Walmi, Python Road. Experimental site. The experiment was conducted at MGM College of Agricultural Biotechnology, Gandhili. Methodology. Collect the lift sample, sun dry for 7 to 9 days, crush and make in powder form, set up the distillation unit in a Soxalate apparatus, 50 gram powder added in 400 ml water, then distill for 1 hour, then condensed material was collected, that is oil and water. Water was separated by a rotary evaporator. Collect the pure oil of eucalyptus. Preparation of insecticide: 5 ml of eucalyptus oil, 3 ml of liquid hand dish detergent, 32 ml of water, and then shake well in a spray bottle and apply on plant, that is a Galanda flower plant. And application of the insecticide on Galanda flower plant. Serial number, that is a number of spray, that is then duration of day, then percentage of insects. The first spraying, then 0% of insect are killed. Second day, second number of spray after 2 day, then 30% insects are killed by oil. Observation and result: there is a control plant, and that is a tested plant after the spraying. This is the good result as insecticide by the eucalyptus oil. Extraction of oil from eucalyptus leaves, that is the picture. Collection of sample, power the sample, shade dry, then second image of shade dry of sample, then third image, make the powder in a fine particles. Figure number 4: process of oil extraction. First, Soxalate, Soxalate apparatus. Then Soxalate apparatus contain the powder and water. There is a steam distillation method. The last product of Soxalate apparatus, that is a oil and water mix. Then using the rotary vacuum evaporator, that help to water and oil is separate. This last picture is a oil of eucalyptus. Observation and result: they kill the bug in 1 to 7 days, approximately 60 to 70%. They kills the bug like slow poisoning. Outcome of the program: improve the productivity, quality of flour and food, increase the flour size and flour freshness. Reference, that is the reference. After that, uh, after that report, that is the industrial visit. Ashwath Biotech Private Limited, that is the profile of industry. We visited in Ashwath Biotech Private Limited, Sindakhed Raja, Distill, Buldana. These company are largely producing the tissue culture plants. Company are established in 16 August 2013. There is a owner of Ashwath Biotechnology, that is a Mr. Sanjay Vaya and Mr. Sandeep Bora. Ishwat Biotech Plant Tissue Culture Unit is certified by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India for quality production of tissue culture. Experience gained, new product assay, different efficient technique of tissue culture production, understand the role of tissue culture, experience about handling tissue culture plants, etc. etc. That is the lab visit at Ishwat Biotech. This is the group photo at Ishwat Biotech with owner. Beach Sital Bioscience Foundation. Second, profile of industry. We visited to uh, Beach Sital Bioscience Foundation, Jalna. Beach Sital Bioscience Foundation is a private incorporated on 9 October 2009. Director of Beach Sital Bioscience Foundation are Samir Agrawal, Suresh Agrawal. Beach Sital Bioscience Foundation of list of top suppliers country of the country that is sealed in India. Experience gained, new varieties production, different efficient technique of packaging seeds, experience about handling and storing of seed, known procedure of making seed varieties. This is the polyhouse of Vid Shital. This is the profile of Vid Shital Bioscience Foundation. Thank you.